गोंयांतले कांय जाण कोवीड दुयेंताक लागून मुंबयत शिरकोन उरिल्ले तांकां एका सामाजीक कार्यकर्तो दिग्विजीत चव्हाणान मदत करून गोंय राज्याचे सीमेर पावयले. सुमार 15 ते 20 जाण प्रवाशांक बुधवारा दीस गोंयांत पावोवपा खातीर चव्हाणाक येस आयलें. मुंबयच्यान गोंयांत बरे भाशेन पाविल्ल्या प्रवाशांत जाणट्यांचोय आस्पाव आशिल्लो. तांणी सगळ्यांनी तांकां गोंयांत पावोवपी चव्हाणाचे आभार मानल्यात.
माझं नाव अजिंक्य शिरोडकर आणि लास्ट 1.5 मंथ आम्ही खूप ट्राय केलो गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान ऑलमोस्ट 10 times आय ट्रायड सो इट वॉज डिनायड सम रिजन्स एंड ऑल वी प्लीज many MLAs, many the politicians also, then Digvijay and his team, Michael Lobo sir and all helped us to come back, and I would like to thank him from a small token of love with my painting.
These are the people from Goa who were stranded in Mumbai. So with the help of Imran, he is a very old friend of mine who was in Mumbai. Because of him, I got to know about all these people. Thanks to Imran Pirani in the first place, that he contacted me and he gave me the privilege to help all these people. And as soon as he called me, he told me that some politician had told him that he will be helping them, but it prolonged for a very long time, 8 to 10 days something. As soon as he called me, I got them the permissions within 2 hours. In the morning I had gone and I got the permission, and it was sent to Imran, and he made the efforts of contacting Paolo Travels. Thanks a lot to Paolo Travels as well for immediately acting and sending the drivers. Thank you so much to the driver as well for bringing all of them safely home. Now they have reached at Patradevi borders, and everybody is opted for going for all the COVID tests. So they will be going to the Asilo hospital now and they will be doing their tests. You need to put yourself into their shoes. If you were outside, you will also want to come. तुमकांय येवपा दिसतले आपणाचे फॅमिली वांगडा रावपाक. सगळी फॅमिली आवय बापूय सगळे भिवन आसा, आपणाची भुरगीं भायर आसात तांकां. सो प्लीज अपोज करनाकात.